This website is called Brainscape, and it's one that I've never heard of before, but I saw that another one of my classmates in this class posted this, so I thought I would look into it. And it actually is really interesting. It is a website that apparently uses brain science to help students or teachers or whoever study and learn new material. And it allows you to create classes and see how your students are doing and how they have been studying and their success rate. And it also allows you to get a gauge on which questions or words that students are really struggling with, which I think is really important. Um, you can just click on any of the categories or make your own, or the students can also make their own note cards, and you just click on it. And what it does is it asks you the question, and you don't have a way to input it. You're just supposed to think if you know it. It reveals you the answer and some things about it. Again, you can make your own versions of these to give to students. And then you rate it if you knew it or not. And then I had a feeling I knew this one, so I would put it at a 4. And this little bar over here tells you how you're going, your confidence, overall your mastery of the subject, what was the 1620s to 1640s Great Migration. I did not know this one really, so I would put this probably at maybe a 1 or a 2. And what that's going to do is that's going to make this question come up more commonly. Questions that a student knows and you put down a 5. Let's say if I put a 5 for this one, it means I've mastered it, and the question is much more likely to not come up anymore. There's a mobile app for it, so students could take this on the bus or anything like that. It keeps track of how many questions you've answered and a lot of different things like that. I could see myself using this when we do vocabulary words or have a test to study for or something like that. Again, I've never heard of this website, so I'm glad I've heard of it. I could see this being very beneficial for classes that have a lot of vocabulary or a lot of dates or things like that. So this is Brainscape.